I'm very excited about this piece. It's a set of cufflinks, and we've titled it 14, which is the atomic number for silicon, which is the metal that's used inside the concrete as aggregate. I think designing something for Dion, he's seen as somebody that analyzes what's going to happen in the future, and he needs to see what trends are going to be. And to us, silicon is a metal that represents technology and, to a certain extent, the future.
I love this piece because, as you see, I am a cufflink wearer, and like shoes, I like only collecting things that nobody else has, and that is completely unique. And I think this is fantastically unique. And then the other thing that I've been tracking a lot, and I've just written a column about it, is when buildings, people using technology for buildings to self-heal. And what I mean about self-healing is they're mixing different elements into the cement, so that if there's a shift in the ground and there's a crack that develops inside a wall or a bridge, they're mixing bacteria into the cement. So when it's cracked, something gets activated, there's a catalyst, and the bacteria starts growing into the crack, so you're actually self-healing it.
As a medium, it's very interesting because obviously I'm tracking a lot of trends in sustainability, and you're starting to see people use different materials which you wouldn't think of as eco-friendly. So you always think of natural products like wood and that sort of stuff, but metal and concrete are now being considered eco-friendly because they last longer. So the longevity of that material is starting to change the mindset of what eco is and what sustainability is. So there's a very definite shift, and what I've been seeing now and what I'm pushing quite a lot, which I'm very happy about, is that you're starting to see big corporate companies look at trends, not because they're a nice to know information, which I think for the past say 5 years ago it was sort of interesting and sort of popular culture, but what is happening because the world is shifting so fast and technologies are taking over, and I've started to see the rapid extinction of business models and companies that can't keep up. So I think what is very, very important is that businesses are starting to look at trends as business strategy. The more unusual the combination is, the more effective it is. And I think PPC is actually leading the way in doing so with these very, very unusual ways of incorporating that into people's lifestyle, because you don't want just to share people's wallets anymore, you want to share their lifestyles, and that's what you're doing.